Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure units, levels, and the target floor plan view are correct. This avoids misaligned geometry later. Next, use Insert Link CAD or Import PDF, pick the file, and set the correct units and origin. This places the plan where you expect. Once done, lock the view scale and crop region so that you can focus on the intended area. Make sure the work plane matches the level you will model on, then move to alignment. Once the reference is placed, align it to grids or existing elements. You want a clean base to trace from. Use the Align tool to snap corners and the Rotate tool for any skew. Then, use the Wall tool and pick the traced lines. Set wall type, finish heights, and offsets as you go so they match the plan. While tracing, switch between temporary dimensions and object snaps for precision, and place doors and windows into the host walls, checking clearances and swing directions. You finish by cleaning the linked file, unclip or turn off layers that clutter the view, and set the link's display mode so it doesn't obscure model lines. Then annotate with dimensions, room tags, and adjust view templates for consistent prints. If elements look out of place, check units, insertion origin, and level associations. Often a simple move or rotate with snapped references fixes it. As a key tip, relink the source at 1, or reload with the correct origin when alignment errors persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.